Hey guys, this is Rich at Rich Picks Daily. This is my other channel. Come and subscribe to my new channel here, Rich Picks Daily. We are going to start building this channel. I'm going to start posting more content on this channel. So the pick that I wanted to talk to you about today that is really hot is India Globalization Capital Inc. I told you guys on Friday they were on full alert, and today, bam, up another 50%. It's unbelievable what this thing is doing. Now be careful, it's very risky. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Rich Picks Daily, we are not licensed advisors. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich Picks Daily. Now, this is a new channel. We're going to build it, but we're excited. We obviously work with Rich TV Live. This is Rich from Rich TV Live and Rich Picks Daily. IGCC, I brought you guys this pick. It's absolutely on fire. It just keeps going up. We bring you the winners. We bring them to you first, okay? Add them to your watch list. Add them to your radar. This is Rich from Rich Picks Daily. India, globalization capital, made a prediction, said it was on full alert. It's up another 50% today. It was up 400% on Friday. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace.